Look, I'm not gonna lie to you, coming from a man himself, men, we're pretty easy to tame. And if you know what you're doing, you're a wise woman, you've been doing this for a while, it ain't gonna be hard to get men. But chances are you're watching this video because, well, you might need some help. And as a man myself, with also experience dealing with other women, seeing what works and what doesn't, I can tell you for a fact that there's just some women that do the right things that for whatever reason draws us men like herds onto them. This is why these women have 20 men behind them, because they're doing the right thing. And today, I want you to be that girl. I want you to be that girl where guys look at you and instantly just become obsessed. And it's actually quite easy. Today, I'm gonna give you the 5 things that you can start doing right now to make your crush or whatever dude around you fall madly in love with you. If that sounds interesting, let's hop into this. Number 1, I call this one the pullback. This tip right here is the most sick, disgusting, and wildly intoxicating thing that women do to us dudes. I'm telling you that. I've lived this in my own shoes, that when this happens to you as a dude, it drives us wild. We almost go into this like obsession mode where we're just trying to figure you guys out. I call this move, the pullback move, I call it almost the bait and switch, where you, that's right, you are gonna make the first point of contact, the first point of interest. And it could be super simple, like complimenting him on his shoes, on his hair, asking him to go study, or even just starting a simple conversation with him. But then you switch up on him and let him figure it out and let him close the deal. What this pretty much means is that you're no longer gonna drool over him. You're not gonna text him. You're not gonna make the first point of contact anymore. Here on out, he does the first move. You already did your job. And this makes us just obsessed with you, because now we can't figure out if you like us or not. And now we're gonna have to grow the balls and the courage to figure it out for ourselves, meaning we're gonna start making the first move to try to see if you like us, and most likely end up asking you out. Number 2, the chase. You see, it's hot because you had the courage to come and open the door. And then it makes us fall madly in love with you because then you allowed us to chase you. You see, girls, we as men, as dudes, we're hunters and gatherers by nature, meaning that we end up feeling satisfied when we feel like we did the work, especially continuing to do so throughout the whole relationship. But if you, as a girl, then come in and change that innate dynamic, and now you become the chaser or the hunter and gatherer, that's exactly when you're gonna have guys that are turned off or aren't gonna show you any interest, or will show you interest but will never commit because you're just an easy piece that's tagging along and chasing me anyway. I'm sorry, ladies, us as dudes, we have weak egos and we gotta feel like the man. And you can easily do that by letting us chase you. Number 3, you're gonna have to be a female dog. Look, I hate the word. This is why I won't even dare calling you girls this, but this is the reality. Men love women that are tough to handle. The exact same way you women love the douchebag guy and not the nice dude. You see, and by being a female dog, what it really means is that you're a high-value woman that doesn't settle and that speaks to her mind. See, in our eyes, or in men's eyes, we think that you're a BITC you know what. And even though us as men say that we hate that, it's exactly what we want. It's exactly what we chase. It's just intoxicating. And as a guy, being that natural hunter and gatherer, we want to chase something and feel like we won. Like it's something difficult or a task that's hard. And girls that are tough to handle are those hard challenges for us. You see, the easier you are to capture and mold to a guy's liking, the less attractive or interesting you're going to be to a guy. However, beware, just because you're a high-value woman, it doesn't mean you should be a toxic woman. Number 4, you're going to want to stay busy. You never want to be too available, especially in the early stages of mating. Again, men, they want to feel like they want something, not like they just picked something up that was laying down there on the floor with nothing to do. When you have your own life and your own things going, this is just going to make you more interesting to us dudes. And then when you have your own passions and your own dreams and your own aspirations, it's just going to make you even more desirable. And this is just going to keep men on their toes because they're going to think that they're just lucky to even be in your plan because you're just so busy all the time. Finally, number 5, make yourself a high-value woman. Treat yourself like a queen, like a prize. The competition out there, it's heavy, and the women that are winning are those that are filled with self-love and self-confidence. You need to fill yourself with that motivation instead of beating yourself up every morning thinking that you're not good enough. So when you wake up in the morning and you look at yourself in the mirror, Talk to yourself and let yourself know that you're an amazing woman, that you are high value, that any dude would be lucky to have you. That puts you in the right state of mind. And then on top of that, you're going to want to dress the exterior, meaning, is there a nice outfit you want to buy? Go get it. Hit the gym. That type of stuff not only makes you confident inside, but also outside, turns you into this high value woman that men will drool over. Men will literally fight over you. And that's basically it for this week's video, girls. I hope you enjoyed it. If you didn't, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Subscribe because, well, we're just starting out and I want to help as many of you out as I can. And also, go ahead and share this video if you found it helpful, because who knows, you might help one of your girlfriends out that's in that same situation right now. All of you girls, you're amazing. You just need to know what to do to hook the right guy. If you guys like this video, don't forget to drop us a like. That's it from me today. See you next time.